Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sitta Agustiani. I'm a student of Mathematics Education from Muhammadiyah Professor Dr. Hamka University, and I want to tell you about the matrix with discovery learning method. For the first introduction, there are orientation. Teacher open the lesson briefly and provide Zoom links via WhatsApp group. And teacher give instruction in defining study groups consisting of 2 until 3 people heterogeneously.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, let's start learning today by reading learning prayers and led by the class leader. Dila?
Okay, Miss, let's read the prayer before studying. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Shiratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba Islamina wa bi Muhammadin
Thank you, Adela. And now I'll check your attendances. Adela?
Present, Miss.
Indah?
Present, Miss.
Rizka?
Present, Miss.
Pas? Faradina?
Present, Miss.
David?
Present, Miss.
Okay. Today we're gonna talk about the matrix. Do you know what the matrix?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah.
Matrix is a set of numbers arranged in rows and columns, or forming a rectangular pattern, and placed inside regular parentheses or square brackets.
That's right, Vivian. And we need to know that the matrix is useful to make it easier to work on data, to solve problems related to numbers and number of data collection. The use of matrix usually occurs in table data. All of you, what is the matrix and matrix notation, matrix order, and the similarities of the matrix?
We don't know yet, Miss.
Okay, before we go talk about the matrix, I'll explain the purpose of learning the matrix. Okay, for today learning objectives from the matrix, after looking at the matrix material, student can identify matrix notation, matrix order, and matrix properties. Then, student can operate the summation, subtraction, multiplication, and division of the matrix. And also, students are able to solve problems related to the matrix and its operation. Students living and practicing the teachings of their religion, showing honest, disciplined, responsible, caring, courteous, responsive, and proactive behavior, and can develop higher level thinking skills through critical thinking, communicating, collaborating, being creative, and literally in solving matrix problems. And then next, I'll present about the matrix. Matrix. The first, there are definition of matrix. A matrix is a set of numbers arranged in a row and column, or forming a rectangular pattern and placed inside regular parentheses or square bracket. And the second is order of matrix. The order of matrix is the number of rows and column of the matrix. If many rows of a matrix equals n and many columns equals n, then the matrix is called order or n times n size. For the notation and matrix element are called matrix element, a matrix named in uppercase or capital letters. For the next, there are examples of the matrix. 5, 1, and 4, this is the first row, and 6, 0, 7 is the second row. 5 and 6 is the first column, 1 and 0 is the second column, 4 and 7 is the third column. So we can get the number of row equals 2 and the column equals 3. And the matrix order equals 2 times 3. Matrix similarity. As you can see, the matrix of A is 3x, x plus y, and 5, and B is 3, 2, 6, and 5. Specify x and y values so that A equals B. The settlement is, we put the same position of A matrix equals B matrix, like this. 3x, x plus y, 5 equals 3, 2, 6, and 5. We can know that the x and 2 have the same position, and we can get the x equals 2, and take the x plus y equals 6. Take the specify of x or values of x to this one, so we can get the 2 plus y equals 6 and y equals 4, and the x is 2, y is 4. Operation on matrix. There are operations on matrix. The first is matrix addition and subtraction. Summation and subtraction of two matrices can be done if the matrix has the same order. For the example, the matrix of P and Q have the same order. There are 2 times 2, with P 5 minus 2 for 10, Q equals 6 minus 2 minus 1 and 8. We can sum the P plus Q by the sum of the same position, like 5 plus 6 equals 11, minus 2 plus minus 2 equals minus 4, 4 plus minus 1 equals 3, 10 plus 8 equals 18. So we can get the matrix of P plus Q is 11, 4, minus 4, 3, and 18. Same as the P plus Q, Q minus P, we subtract the same position. 6 minus 5 equals 1, and we can get the matrix Q minus P is 1, 0, minus 5, minus 2. And the next, matrix multiplication. Two matrices can be multiplied if many columns of the first matrix or the matrix on the left equals many rows of the second matrix or matrix on the right. The new matrix multiplication result has an order of the number of rows of the first matrix multiplied by the number of columns of the second matrix. The elements of the multiplication of the matrices are obtained by summing the multiplication or row element in the first matrix with the column element in the second matrix. Matrix multiplication. As you can see, this is the matrices of order 2 times 2. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. If we want to multiplication atau multiplying the two matrix, we just multiplying the same position, the A times E plus B times G, kemudian, and after it, A plus F plus B plus H, C times E plus D times G, C times F plus D plus H. and we can get the matrix multiplication. Specify matrix multiplication result. There are two matrices by the order 2 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 1 times 5 plus 2 times 7, 1 times 6 plus 2 times 8, 3 times 5 plus 4 times 7, 3 times 6 plus 4 times 8. So we can get the matrix multiplication is 19, 22, 43, and 50. Matrix determinant. For the matrix determinant, there are two types, and the first is 2 times the order. If A, B, C, D, and the determinant A is AD minus BC. For the example, there are A matrix 3, 2, 7, and 6. So determinant of A is 3 times 6 minus 2 times 7 equals 4. And for the second type is 3 times 3 order. If A matrix is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, the determinant of A is, we put all of the matrix first and we rewrite the first and second column to the right side. Equals A times E times I plus B times F times G plus C times D times H minus C times E times G minus A times F times H minus B times D times I. Like this. A, B, I, D, F, G, C, D, H, C, E, G, A, F, H, B, D, I. And it's called the Cyrus method. Okay. I've given the task that is in the Schoology exercise 1, and all of you discussion through the WhatsApp video call according to the each group. Then go back into the Zoom meeting to present the answer of exercise 1.
Student in group discuss processing data obtained from other sourcing using video call WhatsApp.
Hello guys, has everyone studied and understood the material? Okay, Laras, can you tell me what is the matrix order?
The order of the matrix is equals M in many columns. Then the matrix are M times N size.
Okay, thank you, Laras. Rizka, can you explain the notation of element matrix?
Matrix forming numbers are called matrix elements. The matrix in uppercase or capital letters.
Okay, thank you. We will discuss the answer to the question in exercise 1, starting from first group, after that second group, and the third group.
The answer A equal to 3 min 1, 4, 3 min 4, 1 min 8, 5, 2 min 4, and 6. A, the order is equal to 4 times 3. B, the first row elements are 2, 3, and min 1. C, the second row elements are 4, 3, and min 4.
And the elements of the first column are 2, 4, 1, and 2. E, elements of the second column are -1, -4, 5, and 6. F, E, 22 plus A, 41 plus A, 32 equals 3 plus 2 minus 8 equals -3. And G, A, 12 minus A, 31 equals 3 minus 1 equals 2.
Okay, thank you for Vivit and Rizka. And the next,
2. The answer A, if A matrix 3, 2, 7, 6, so matrix A is 3.6 minus 2.7 equals 4.
2 times A minus B plus 3 times C equals 2, 3 minus 4, 2, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 1, 5 plus 3 times 5, 4, 2 minus 1 equals 6 minus 8, 4, 2 minus 3 minus 2, 1, 5 plus 15, 12 minus 4 minus 3 equals 24, 6, 1 minus 6.
thank you for Indah and Laras. And the next, the last exercise.
Okay, thank you, Miss. This is group 3. We are Adela Irma and Faradina Nurulita. And now we will answer the question number 3. The question is matrix 2x x plus 4y minus 6 0 equal matrix of minus 6 5 y plus 2x 0. The solution is 2x equal minus 6, x equal minus 3, x plus 4y equal 5, minus 3 plus 4y equal 5, 4y equal 8, and y equal 2.
6 equals y plus 2x minus 6 equals 2 plus 2x minus 8 equals 2x minus 4 equals x.
Thank you for Adel dan Faradina. I think your answer are all alright. Give applause for you all. Okay, and thanks for the answer. I made quiz or assessment that you can access and to do at Schoology. For this matrix material, there is an application that can check if our answer is correct or not. Namely matrix operation. I have also provided a link how to use it and you can learn it.
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss.
I would like to ask Indah to read the conclusion at this meeting. Okay, I'll share the PowerPoint.
Okay, the conclusion. A matrix is a set of numbers arranged in rows and columns or forming a rectangular pattern and placed inside regular parentheses or square brackets. Matrices have the order and can be operated if the order is the same.
Thank you, Indah, for reading the conclusion. And for the next meeting, we will discuss about the function. I think enough for today. Hopefully, you can understand this lesson. And don't forget to do your homework. Let's end by reading Surah Al-Asr and followed by prayer after studying. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wal asr.
Innal insana
Allahumma arin Okay, guys, thank you for today. See you in the next meeting. In the last session, we udahlah together. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Thank you.
That is some attachment on psychology. PowerPoint assignment. The answer from the assignment: learning video access on YouTube, how to use the application matrix operation, quiz on quizzes. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video can be useful for you all who watch this video. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to all social media. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.